looking at calculating area and volume and length. So these two sheets here, unit conversion 1 and 2, we went through last time on how to convert milliliters to liters, meters to kilometers, grams to kilograms. So really essential. You need to know how to do this. I have some year 12s that are still not too confident, and you need to be able to do this. Otherwise, construction is going to be very difficult. So please revise the previous lesson if you need to. If you need help, you need to ask. Otherwise, I'm not too sure where you're at. So please do ask me, and this sheet here as well. It's pretty much the same thing over and over again. So 6,000 meters equals to 6 kilometers. 3,000 meters equals to 3 kilometers. All right. So these two, I'd like to see as well. I'd like to see these completed. But today we're going to focus on area. So how to calculate area. And this is a cheat sheet here for you to help you guys. What we're going to be looking at in particular is the area of a square and area of a rectangle. All right. So let me just clarify some things. When I'm trying to find length, it's how long something is, right? So length is how long something is. So let's just say this is 60 millimeters long. $60 But now when we're looking for area is a 2D shape. So this whole area inside. So all of this red area here, that's area. So that's what we call area. And this is what we call length. Okay. Any questions so far?
All good.
All good, all good. Okay, this is some revision. Some of you may know this from like year 7, year 6, but I just want you guys to know, and I'd rather go a bit slower for anyone else that doesn't know. Okay, and now the volume is pretty much similar to area, but instead of a 2D shape, it has to be a 3D shape. So it's that, like that. Okay. So with length, how do you find length? Well, it's what we do. It's this side times this side. So we know that this side here is 60 millimeters, just for example, and this side can be whatever we want it to be. It can be, let's say, 20 millimeters. So now how do you find the area?
60 times 20.
60 times 20, okay. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. 60 times 20 equals to, what's the answer? Can anyone tell me the answer?
1,200.
1,200 what? Kilograms?
Meters.
Meters?
I don't know.
Meters?
Millimeters.
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 Millimeters squared.
Squared.
Squared. So because we times it, we multiplied it by millimeters, and multiplied it by millimeters, the answer will be in millimeters squared. Okay. So it's always, length is always squared. So when we look at our cheat sheet, let's have a look. Where's the rectangle? So length times width, or length times width either one, as long as you times one side by the other side, you'll get the correct answer. Okay. Alright, so now let's have a look at this worksheet here.
I have done the measurement unit
Yep,
worksheet.
cool. Yep, thanks so much. Just upload it to Classroom. Alright, so now work out the area and perimeter of each of the following rectangles. They're not to scale. Remember, area inside and perimeter outside. So what perimeter is? Does anyone know what perimeter means?
Area. What does what mean, sir?
Perimeter. So this word
That's
here.
the, what's it called? That's the, what's it called? The space around a shape. The distance around
Okay,
a
so
shape.
not the space, but you're on the right track. I definitely know what you mean.
Distance.
So if we look at area, why is my drawing getting funny?
The distance around the shape.
That's right. So it's the distance around the shape. So this one here is length, this is area. So area is inside and
So what I post the unit conversions.
week 6 Google Classroom. Now, if you have a look here, length and the perimeter is just the length around the edge of the shape, so all around here. So all of this red line all along the border. So not the inside, just around the edge. So now, can anyone tell me what would be, how do you find the area, how do you find the perimeter of this rectangle here?
Base times height.
Sorry?
I don't know.
The perimeter. So this is area. Area is base times height. But how do you find the perimeter? This, and this, and this, and this. Okay, let's have a look. So to find the perimeter, if this side is 60 millimeters, how long is this side? The other side is 60 millimeters because it's a rectangle. Both sides are the same. If this side is 20, how long is this side? This side is also 20 millimeters. Yes, that's right. Thank you. So now, this side 60 plus 20 plus
20 plus 60.
Yes, so it's 60 plus 20 plus 60 plus 20 equals to how much?
Very, very smart. 60 times 20 equals to 80.
You don't times it, you add it.
Yeah, I said 80.
So, okay, so let's get a calculator, although you should do it in your head. 60 plus 20
plus 20
plus 60
80.
plus 20 equals
160.
160 what?
Centimeters.
Millimeters squared.
Millimeter squared. Shit.
Okay, alright. So, millimeters. So the answer is 100, and the perimeter, so perimeter equals to 160 millimeters. So remember, area is in squared, perimeter is just millimeters. Okay, so you need a bit more practice. Let's do this together. So the area is this one side times the other side. Length times width equals to how much?
I'm trying to post the work, but it's not working.
Oh, 6 times 2, 12.
12. 12. Yep.
centimeters
12,
squared.
yeah, centimeters squared or square centimeters, same thing. Perimeter, so 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2.
Oh, that's 16
16, yep.
centimeters.
So 6 plus 2 is 8, and then plus 6 again, and then plus 2 again will total 16. So what's the area for this? 5 times 3?
10.
5 times 3?
15.
15.
15. And then,
واحد. Yeah.
and then
Perimeter.
perimeter is
It's
Yeah,
16.
what?
16.
16, there you go.
how's it
16.
16?
So because it's 5 plus 3 plus 5 at the bottom plus 3.
Oh, true.
So can you see how you get area and how you get perimeter?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna do 2 more with you, and I want you to do actually I'll do 1 more with you, and I'll let you do the rest as well. Okay. All right. What's the answer for area? 5 times 9.
Two. Um,
5 times 9.
What was it? What was the question?
Where have you been?
Huh?
Where have you been?
I'll see. I just didn't hear the question. Was it 5 times 9?
Yes.
45.
Okay. And perimeter. How do you find the perimeter?
You have to plus them together.
Yes. Okay. Can you do that?
Yeah.
5 plus 5. That is 28.
28. Yep.
29.
28.
28. Yep. So 5 here, 5 here. That makes 10. 9 and 9 makes 18. 10 plus
10 plus 19.
10 plus 18 is 28.
18. Yeah. True.
All right. So perimeter is, so which one is in square meters or square centimeters or square millimeters? Is it area or perimeter?
Area.
Well done.
Area is centimeters.
Exactly right. Always. Well done. All right. So now I want you, actually, you know what? We'll do this together if you like, just to give you guys a bit less work. All right, but you're going to give me the answers.